Hi, everybody. I wanted to talk to you quickly about my Tuesday's blog post. It's all about coordinating and facilitating and planning these self-directed project-based learning experiences. I have a lot of resources in my store about that. So let me just give you an example. One of mine is a project-based learning resource, self-directed, about career exploration. So it's self-directed in that students choose the career they want to explore. They choose how they're going to demonstrate learning. They choose who they're going to share their final product with. And to do this, all of the resources that I have provide the templates for students to use. It makes it clear as day what they're supposed to do. What this blog post does is help you plan these experiences. So if you want to have your students spend the next 2 weeks exploring careers using a self-directed project-based learning approach, this is how I do it. I do it in 7 steps. It's right here on my screen in my blog. I use a specific planner that I've provided for you for free. The link is in my bio for that. Or you can just grab it right here on this blog post. Also, the blog post link is in my bio. So if you go here, you download that planner, you have maybe a self-directed project-based learning experience in mind. Create it, literally walking through this blog post and using your planner, create or organize one of these experiences for your students that you could start tomorrow if you wanted to. So let's just start with step 1, and we're going to continue to use the career exploration as an example. The first step is students designing that project. So what does the course of the next 2 weeks for them personally look like? What are they going to study? Who are they going to talk to? And so on. And so that's step 1, is writing their project plan. So in my planner, I literally drag and drop that right into, let's just say we're starting it on Monday. And on Monday, I'm going to introduce the project. We're going to write project plans. I'm going to look them over. I'm going to approve them. And those plans are included in my resources. You might have your own, and that's totally fine. And then the next step, let's say I want to dedicate the next 3 days to research. All the students break into researching about their chosen careers. They connect with experts, maybe interview 1 or 2. And then this keeps going until the whole experience is over. So I encourage you to go check out this blog post, download this planner, and whip out a self-directed project-based learning plan right now. How do I stop this? Technology.